How to use new Google Drive application for the desktop in Windows 10 or any other window. So I'll show you how can you use it, how you can install it, and how you can use it for Google for desktop. For that, just you have to go in Google first. Just go to the Google in any browser, okay, and just log in with your account and type here download Google Drive for PC, okay. And one link will be open, just click on it. Now you can see I can download drive for desktop, I can get it from my app store, and I can also get it from Google Play, okay. So now just go to the download for Google Drive, okay. Now this simple file will be downloaded, which is 277 MB. After it is download, you have to just click on it and install it, okay. So it will be installed and download, so let it download first. After download, just click and install it. After installation, this icon will be open. This is Google Drive icon, okay. You can see the Google Drive icon here after install this, okay. So what you need to do, just click on this Google Drive icon, okay. Just click on it. You can see I have already configured my email ID here, so it is showing all email ID and all. So just go to the setting, go to the preference, or from here you have to log in with your email ID. You can add another email ID here. After you log in, just go to the my computer, okay. In my computer, you can select the folder on file. You can select the folder that you want to synchronize your Google Drive account, okay. So just go to the add folder, and you can add folder from here. You can add folder from your desktop, downloads, which folder you want to synchronize. Just click and just select folder. Then it will be synchronized like this, and whatever you upload or update, it will be synchronized to your Google Drive account, okay. You can file this folder where I will show you, and under the Google Drive you can also explore all Google Drive folders and file in your computer file manager, okay. Just click on stream file, store all Google Drive file in your cloud only, okay. So now just open the in files, click on file explorer, then you can see here the file explorer open. You can find this file explorer in your my PC, and here you can see the Google Drive option, and here you can see the option all the of Google Drive folders and file. Here you can use directly from here, okay. Okay, just cancel it, okay. That is how you can use it, okay. So when you synchronize folder or file to Google Drive, when you can where you can find it, I will show you. Open your Google Drive in your any device. If you want to access this file from other device, just you have to log in with your account. After login with your Gmail account, go to the Google Drive. Google Drive will be open like this. Now go to the my computer, and here you will get the all folder you have selected in your computer, okay. So here you can see the all synchronized folder from your computer, and from here you can add it, you can access it from any other device, okay. So that is how you can use new Google Drive or install the Google Drive in Google any desktop. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.